In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error code 9999. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. This error can appear if your device is having trouble communicating with YouTube servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router, or enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds and disable it. Next up, first close your YouTube app, launch it, swipe up and remove it, then again relaunch it. This might resolve the issue. Next thing you want to do is check whether you are using the latest version of YouTube app or not. For that, navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, close this, launch settings. Now go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the YouTube app, go to App Info, go to Storage, then click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next up, you can sign out and sign in back to your account. This will refresh your account session and can resolve temporary authentication issue. Likewise, if you're using VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily as it may interfere with your connection to YouTube. Lastly, check the server status of YouTube. So launch your preferred browser, type in YouTube server status, then head over to the website down selector. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.